In this short WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed Instagram posts on WordPress. And this is how our page will look like when we finish embedding our Instagram post. Keep watching.
Hello guys, this is Sonic here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
To embed Instagram posts on WordPress, all what you need to do is locate the particular post you want to embed. Click on it. At the top right corner, click on these three dots right here. Then click on Embed. Then click on Copy Embed Code. Next, go back to your WordPress website. Then locate the particular page where you want to embed your post. So I choose this. Then I go ahead and edit the post. Inside the editor, I choose the location where I want to embed my Instagram post. So this way I want it, I click right here and I press enter. Next, I go ahead and click on add block icon right here. Then I search for HTML. I have custom HTML here. I click on it to insert the block. In here, I go ahead and paste my code. I right click, then click on paste. Then I go ahead and update my post. It is updated. I can view the post. Going down, I have my Instagram post embedded on my web page. So that's it guys on how to embed Instagram posts on WordPress. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe and also enable the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next one.